You're live. Hi Terence, welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Thank you very much.
How are you?
Very good, as you can see, having my chai.
Okay, what is keeping you busy these days?
Well, even if I'm not on television or I'm not doing films, I have an institute to run. I personally teach there too. I have a company where we do shows creatively. So there's so much that keeps me busy. Plus, I have my film script that I'm constantly writing and cleaning up and meeting producers. So I have a lot on my plate, a lot of things to do, even if I am not on television.
Okay, so a lot of fans have joined us already. So we'll take their questions. So Naresh is asking that what motivates you in life?
What motivates me in life is the fact that I want to do something that is different, that is unique, that has not been done before, and how is it going to change, anything in whichever field I go. So if it's dance, am I changing something in dance? Am I bringing something new to dance? Am I being creative? Am I being of any value to the city and the country that I live in, or to the people around me? So yeah, that is what drives me. When I realize that I have so much to do and so many people's lives to change along with my own, I feel very humbled and compelled to do what I need to do.
Okay, so Swati is saying, I'm your big fan. Thank you so much for coming live.
Thank you, Swati. Thank you very much.
Okay, Sagnik is saying, we are really missing you on television. Please come back.
I will come back for sure, because television and me are like love and hate relationship. We love each other for some time and then I feel like अच्छा भी बस हो गया, मैं कितनी बार television में रहूँगा, थोड़ा break देते हैं. So there's this, it's like, it should be like, the television and me should be like weather. You need to wait for it, for that season to come by. So I prefer it that way, as opposed to being on television every time, because then it becomes monotonous. Then even you will get bored and say, yaar, roz kaise milna hai unko. So it's nice to have a little bit of distance.
Okay, so Sanam is asking, do you want to work for any Pakistani movie?
I want to work for all kinds of movies that are sensible, that have a certain agenda, that is going to change the way people think. So I have no reasons why I shouldn't do a Pakistani movie. People are people. You, my friends from Pakistan, are also human beings. You are my brothers, and you are people who also have feelings and love, and we are all the same at the end of it all. So I don't think a certain line can divide you and me. Of course, I hope the situations are favorable and there is no morcha, that people are peace loving. I just want peace. I don't want to I want people to also understand that if we do something, we should do it lovingly and we should do it with our right intentions.
Okay, your fan page is asking that when are you coming to New Zealand?
Wow, no, that's a country I've never been to and I really want to, because I've heard so much about it. I've seen it in the Lord of the Rings. I've seen it. And many of the FB posts that people write. I have a friend out there, Maria and Ben, who are musicians who stay there. So there are many reasons why I should come. My sister stays in Australia, so it's en route. So let's see. Hopefully this year, maybe I may make a trip to New Zealand.
Okay, Guru Krita is asking, what's your favorite song these days?
My favorite song these days, it's a very catchy song. Tenu Suit Karda. I think it is very well sung and it's very beautifully sung, and I love that song. And that's basically if I'm in the groovy kinds. But if I'm mostly I'm in the melancholic, more like melodious mood, then I like the whole album of not whole, but I like 3 songs of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. I love the tracks of that, so I love the album very much.
Okay, Jacob is asking, do you believe in law of attraction?
Yes, there's nothing to believe. You just, all of us are energy and we have a certain frequency and a certain vibration, and depending on that, we will attract the opposite energy in sometimes good ways and sometimes not so good ways. So the law of attraction, whether you believe it or not, is always acting upon us.
Okay, so Shmita is asking that what's the one thing that you would like to change?
Alcoholic. I want to constantly do 10 things at a time. Like for today, I have like 4 interviews happening in one day. I don't need to do this. I could have spaced out tomorrow, but नहीं, बहुत सब कुछ करना है, आज ही करना है, तो कल तो मैं रहूँगा ना, जी नहीं रहूँगा. I won't be alive. I don't know why in my head I think that today is my last and I should live everything today. So I think I wish I need to kind of slow down a bit. I need to eat my food slowly. All my friends say like you're a disgrace. तुम food को enjoy नहीं कर रहे, तुम. So I tell you,
Okay, so Sameer is asking, are you religious or spiritual in life?
I used to be religious when I was growing up because it was good for me, but I turned spiritual simply because it was a more wider way, a more broader way, a more human way of living. So I'm very spiritual right now, but I do not have any particular guru or a sect or a Buddhism, or I believe the good in every aspect of what the religion has to show, and I'm willing to go with the fact that humanity is the most important religion. And when I say humanity, a human being which is so powerful, which is on the head of the food chain and otherwise also, should take a little bit time out to take care of those who are not so powerful, which means our animals, our plants and our plants, our other fauna and flora, who may not have a voice. And you can't be criminal. I mean, there's no criminal law against killing an animal or killing a tree, but I think we should be a little bit more sensitive to how we use the planet and take care of planet, because we are the most intelligent in a way, or most powerful in a way, so we must use our power to do the right thing. So yes, that's the thing.
Okay, so Mika is asking, what makes you feel accomplished?
When I take up a task and I know that I've done it to the best of my abilities, and even if the situation was tough, the situation has to be tough, which means it should not be easy. It should not be कि ये तो बहुत आसान था. There needs to be complexity. There needs to be a place where I've done something and one big problem has happened. Then I'm like, अच्छा इस problem को कैसे solve करें? For me, those challenges, I'm like that. I'm very typically like an alpha male. I'm like, I need that stimulation. कि अच्छा ये problem हुआ, इसको कैसे घुमा दूँ? How do I change that situation into a positive situation? Even if it's the most difficult situation, कीचड़ में रहकर भी मैं कैसे अपने आप को, कमल के फूल की तरफ, फूल लूँ? How do I grow and express myself in a way where I'm untouched, even though my feet are in the muck? I think that for me is more interesting, the challenge. Not just to say, okay, जब situations अच्छी होंगी, then for me I lose interest because ये बहुत simple है. अगर सब कुछ अच्छा है और आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. लेकिन difficult situations में भी अगर आपको आपका मानसिक संतुलन आप नहीं खो बैठते हो, then it is for me very amazing.
Okay, Somesh, your fan is asking you, who is your role model in life?
I don't think there's a particular one person, but there are so many in our life. There are so many people who are doing amazing work. There are different role models for different things. Like for example, Baba Amte's son, he has this amazing farm where he looks after animals and nature, and I think he's doing a fabulous job. So he's my role model for what I would like to do in the future. Maybe go into a village and settle down there and look after a huge village and take care of the village and bring about a complete change, because I've lived my life and I've done whatever I need to do. So that would be one of it. But if you look at certain inspiration in dance, and there are so many young people that I see right now and judge, and I'm like, wow, I wish I could dance like this. It's so amazing. So I'm constantly inspired. There's no one person. Or if somebody has made an amazing food or opened a great restaurant and great great food which is nutritious and organic, I'm like, wow, what a genius. I'm inspired by that. I basically am inspired every day by people who really do different work, who are trying to kind of make a change in the world, but also kind of thinking out of the box. Anybody who thinks out of the box, I'm their fan.
Okay, so Mohit Verma, your fan, is saying, you're the best, sir. Thank you for inspiring us.
Oh, Mohit Verma, thank you so much for writing in and for expressing your gratitude. Very humbled.
Okay, Shiny is saying, if you are in a bad mood, do you prefer to be left alone or have someone to cheer you up?
Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone, because I genuinely believe nobody can help me. I genuinely believe that I need to sort this out in my own head. I need to calm down. I need to just relax, breathe out, take a shower, probably go to sleep, and next day react upon it. So for me, leave me alone.
Okay, Sanam is asking, with whom you want to work in movies?
All the best actors. I want all the best actors, not necessarily superheroes and famous people, but really good actors. Rajkumar Rao, Radhika Apte, Nandita Das, Kokana Singh Sharma, Alia Bhatt, even though she's a superstar, I think she's a great actor. There are some amazing actors right now in mainstream Bollywood also, which is, let's not call it Bollywood, it's called it Hindi film industry. So we have got some great actors in the Hindi film industry. So we would like to work with many of them, especially great directors, lyricists, people who really kind of can change cinema.
Okay. Shruti is asking, which reality show do you personally watch?
None. Not even my own. Because why should I watch something that I have only judged? I know what has happened. So I don't watch any TV shows. I really don't. I don't watch TV at all. Neither English nor Hindi. Nor do I watch Netflix. Nor do I watch Amazon Prime. I have everything, but I don't know. I don't get the time. I'm a book reader. I generally enjoy books, and most of the time I'm on the internet and I'm doing all this kufia panti, like searching out which group is, what are the best 10 places on the earth to visit. What are the best 10 things that human beings can do which has not been done? So I'm looking at all these weird things on internet, which will probably inspire me to think differently. So I'm on the net and I'm always searching for certain things that have not been done before, locations, spaces, people, culture. More interested in all of these things than what is. And also I'm looking for videos that are local, which means not produced, but more like just by the way kind of videos, a very you and me kind of a video. So because sometimes there is more truth in that than a very plastic, very produced kind of a video, and sometimes it's overproduced. So yeah.
Okay, so Manisha Debnath is asking, what's your favorite book that you've read until now?
I've read a lot of books. If you come to my house, see this right now, there's this camera. It's if you turn around and if I show you, it's sitting on a pile of books.
Yes.
That's how crazy I am about books. There are books in my bathroom. There are books in my shower. I can read book anytime. I can probably die with a book in my hand. It's I just am fascinated with the fact that I can read a book and then create my own. I have a very active imagination, so that allows me to imagine what somebody has read and maybe even create another reality which even he didn't create when he was writing. I love that ability to kind of just get yourself transported, and I love the challenge that you have to imagine it as opposed to it being seen out there and you can clearly see what it is. So I like reading books. So my last book, answering that, was I read Riso Hudson. Again, I like to read all these psychic and all these crazy books. It's called Understanding Your Personality Type. You must get your hands on it. It's a fabulously powerful psychometric test to evaluate what kind of person you are.
Okay, so we'll play a fun game with you. I'll tell you the English translations of the Hindi songs and you have to guess these Hindi songs.
Done.
Okay. So the first one is, your fans can help you. If they help you, I'll tell you.
Please help me.
Okay. So the first one is, you came near and smiled like this. You made me dream like never before. Now my heart can neither sleep nor stay awake. What can be done till something really happens?
तुम पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या.
Good one. चलो दूसरा देखते हैं. First intoxication, first hangover. My love is new.
पहला नशा, पहला
You are fat. Okay, the third one is it poison or love, your kiss? What a hangover it is, your kiss. Stuck.
चुम्मा.
Is it poison or love, your kiss? What a hangover it is, your kiss. So your fans are also helping you. So if they answer this, I'll tell you.
क्या है भाई? ऐसा क्या है? किसको तो चुम्मा या पप्पी बोलते हैं?
हाँ, तो आगे का भी बताना पड़ेगा.
तो तुम्हारा पप्पी या चुम्मा विश है क्या? क्या? What is it? Is it
poison or love, your kiss?
तुम्हारा पप्पी विश है क्या? प्यार है.
Wish.
और क्या?
No, it's wrong.
What is the song?
Should I tell?
Yeah. Okay. Let's see if the fans are helping
Okay.
me. Any help, guys?
Wait, I'll
ask the next one. Let them figure it out.
Okay, cool. The other one is, dreams in eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen beloved. Why has heart chosen beloved? Okay, your fan has helped you. Sheed Ahmed, he said, Zehar hai ke pyar hai tera chumma.
Nice one, Zahir Ahmed. Thank you very much for helping me. And please help me in this other one also now. It's a toughie. Which one? Say it again.
It's dreams in eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen beloved. Why has heart chosen beloved? Confused.
देखा है पहली बार साजन की आंखों.
नहीं.
First one क्या है तुम्हारा? आपका?
It's dreams in eyes, beloved in dreams.
आंखों में.
आंखों को और क्या बोलते हैं?
आंखों के नैन.
हाँ.
नैनो में सपना,
Yes.
सपनों में नैना. Okay, my God.
Okay, now we have easy questions. So देखते हैं एक और. Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart? It's an old song.
कैसे बताएं?
No.
Shall I
Old.
tell you?
हाँ. Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart? पुराने जमाने वाला है.
कह दूं तुम्हें
Perfect.
या चुप रहूं.
Okay, the last one is every second this life changes itself. Sometimes
हर
this...
घड़ी बदल रही है.
Okay, आपको एक भी wrong नहीं मिलता because आपके fans ने आपको help कर दिया था.
Thank you guys, thank you very much.
Okay, we have a lot of questions. तो पहले वो ले लेते हैं. Riyansh is asking that what kind of dance do you personally like? Like which
I don't have a choice.
Okay.
If somebody dances beautifully, चाहे वो भरतनाट्यम हो, कथक हो, अंदर से लगता है कि काश मैं कर पाता यार, मुझे सीखना चाहिए. I genuinely don't have a favoritism because dance is dance for me. कोई बहुत अच्छी तरह से कोई चीज करता है ना, मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि मुझे सिखा दे तू. So I don't have a personal favorite. Yes, I love to do chow, I love to do contemporary, I love to do Latin. But if somebody shows me something done beautifully, even if it's Sufi dancing, I'm like, teach na, sikha dena, sikha dena. I'm like that. I'm a student of dance. Somebody does it well, I have no like, oh, even if somebody does Lavani, even if somebody does an item song very well, it's like, kya kiya yaar, wo aankhon se kya. I want to learn everything that is connected with dance. I don't have this thing कि मुझे ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये अश्लील है, ये dance is dance. So it's very simple.
Okay, so Priyanka Dev is saying that DID में आप और रेमो सर और गीता माँ दोबारा कब आएंगे वापस साथ में?
गामी एक इंसान है जिनको मैं फॉलो करता हूँ, बहुत मशहूर है, उसकी YouTube वीडियोस बहुत पॉपुलर है, सब देखते हैं. So there are lots of ऐसे कई बंदे. अब ना टैलेंट की कोई कमी नहीं है. जस्ट गो ऑन यूट्यूब, यू गो ऑन सर्टेन ब्लॉग्स एंड यू नो कि इतने सारे अच्छे डांसर्स हैं एंड दे आर ऑल वेरी गुड कोरियोग्राफर्स. सो you don't need to go to, I mean, you can find inspiration wherever you want.
Ishani Roy is saying that when you dance, we feel that a pure soul is performing.
अभी कितना प्योर है ये तो शुद्धता का प्रतीक तो मैं हूँ नहीं. लेकिन चलो, thank you so much for feeling that way. I guess I'm trying to kind of create a certain kind of an energy that makes you feel that way, and it is the power of dance. It's not me, it's the power of dance.
Okay, so Sarika is asking, do you have someone special in your life?
I have too many people special in my life. एक से क्या होगा हमारा? No, basically I love my work. I love people, but to kind of keep that one person special, I don't think I have that kind of thinking in my head. I do not feel I need to be exclusive to anybody, nor do I want to be exclusive to anybody or want somebody to be exclusive to me. I'm very much in love with my work and my love for dance, so I think I'm going to be a happy bachelor all my life.
Okay, so Reema Menon is saying that, sir, how can my daughter be your student?
Well, she needs to be at least 16 years old. That's one. She has to already be trained in dance with any other institute and has to have a good level of dancing, because हमारे कोई branches or franchises नहीं है. So whoever is teaching under my name is a lie. So we don't have branches, we don't have franchises. We have only one institute in Andheri. The whole idea is to keep it pure, to make sure that the best teachers and the best course that I want for my students is going out there. So I personally also teach there. So it's but only for those who are professionally or who want to make dance as a career. So we don't take any student who tells us कि ये मेरा option है. We don't. We take only those people who say, "मेरे sir, मुझे ये अपना career बनाना है." Yes, come, because then we will teach you that way. Because then your commitment is like that. Well, it's 5 days a week. It's 4 hours every day. So it's not easy for people to kind of choose this unless they're serious about dance. There are classes for kids, but again, those kids also come to us on Saturdays, and there also we have an audition where only the best kids who have learned from various dance schools and they feel they need a level up with the teachers, with the training, and making sure that their flexibility, their strength, their quality of dancing improves, then we teach them. So it's a bit hard to get into our industry, to get into my institute, simply because we only cater to that that part of people who are very good in dancing. So you will ask the next question, ki then how do we even start? I said there are lots of gully nukkad classes that have dance classes. You go there, learn something at least, get your rhythm, flexibility, all in a certain level. Uske baad you come to us. We'll take you up. We'll take you higher.
Okay. So Amar is asking, what do you do to look so young?
I look young. अमर लुक, मेरी दाढ़ी में मतलब सफेद बाल है और झुर्रियाँ आने लग गई हैं, रिंकल्स आने लग गए हैं. मेरे डॉक्टर बोलता है कि सर्जरी चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं चाहिए. So I don't know, maybe it's the camera that makes me look good, maybe it's the way you see me that makes me look good, but honestly I am 42 years old, not young, and very happy in this place, to be in this space, and I do nothing to make myself look younger or older. What is. So if you see me, you'll realize that ये बुढ़ा दिखता है.
No, not at all. Okay, we'll play one more game. We have chits beside you. See, तो उसमें से आपको एक चिट उठानी है. और आपको जो भी लिखा है वो आपको मतलब ऑडियंस को दिखाना है. Then audience will guess what is this. Okay.
एक मिनट.
आप चिट ओपन करो तो आपको समझ जाएगा. हाँ, देख लो. ठीक है, आपको ऑडियंस को नहीं बताना है.
ओके.
सो आपको इसका सिग्नेचर स्टेप करना है. और ऑडियंस गेस करेगी कि ये कौन सा गाना. आपको दिखाना नहीं है चिट को.
ओके, ठीक है. तो ये दिखाना नहीं. तो ये हुआ, मैं बैठ के दिखाता हूँ.
हाँ, जो बैठ के दिखा. ओके, जिसने भी, ये तो बहुत इजी है वैसे. गेस कर ही चुके हैं.
गेस कर चुके हैं आप
ऑलरेडी. तब तक आप दूसरा चिट ओपन करें.
ये वाला, ये डैंड्रफ हिलाने वाला.
ईशानी रॉय ने गेस कर लिया है. रजत शर्मा ने भी गेस कर लिया. इट्स तत्तड़.
यस गाइस, राइट.
Okay, let's see the other one.
Okay, ये तो बहुत easy है. Which one?
मैं तो गेस कर चुकी हूँ. लेट्स सी फैंस ने गेस किया कि नहीं. ओके, दिलीप ने गेस कर लिया है. माय नेम इज लखन. माय नेम इज लखन.
That's right. Well done, दिलीप. Well done. क्या बात है यार. तुम लोग बहुत स्मार्ट हो. बहुत सारी फिल्में देखते हो. नेक्स्ट वाली चीज. इसको खाली दिखा देता हूँ मैं आपको. बेस्ट डांसर ऑफ बॉलीवुड.
अब तक तो किसी ने गेस नहीं किया. लेट्स सी.
The best dancer of Bollywood.
No, it's not मल्हारी. Okay, one fan has said. Okay, किसी ने गेस कर लिया है. सनी देओल का गाना है.
Yes.
यारा हो यारा.
Yeah.
जिगर ने गेस कर लिया. यारा हो यारा.
जिगर, well done. यारा हो यारा. Superb. Next. बैठे बैठे आप मतलब समझ रहे हो, तो इसका मतलब आप पूरा वेरी गुड. Okay. चलो, ये तो बहुत आसान.
हाँ, है तो आसान.
हाँ.
श्रुति ने गेस कर लिया है. कजरारे.
Yes, श्रुति. कजरारे.
सोनल, दिलीप. Oh my God, fans are like crazy. उनको सारे गाने पता है और स्टेप्स भी. या फिर बॉलीवुड क्रेजी.
Okay. Famous. Very famous step. Come on, you can't get this wrong.
No, it's not. Kanchi is saying it's Pia. Okay, Jigar has guessed it.
Yes.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yes.
Amazing.
Well done, well done. चलो.
This is the last one.
3 और है.
Okay.
हाँ. एक मिनट. same one I'm thinking of? I think it is. All I remember वो गाने का कोई मतलब नहीं था. It was just they were all the time. No, but this could be misunderstood as the other.
Yeah, मस्ती की पाठशाला is not there.
नहीं, but close. Similar step था वो. Similar step था. ये इसमें मदद चाहिए.
No, it's not baby को बेस पसंद है.
हाँ, it is. देखो.
The tower.
Ah, okay, वो वाला. Sorry guys, my fault. I thought some other. So it's this one. It was very easy.
हाँ, it's a very easy song.
Yes.
It's भाई सलमान खान.
Yes. I thought. ओ मेरी पैंट जवानी.
Okay.
ओ मेरी पैंट जवानी. Second hand जवानी है.
Okay, so
This is very easy.
अम्बी and जिगर has guessed जीने के है 4 दिन.
Yes.
Oh ho.
और ये वाला. अभी next वाला. Come on, this is very easy.
हाँ. ये हमने नहीं लिखा फिर भी मैंने गेस कर लिया. देखो ये कौन सा है मुझे पता है.
Very simple है. ये करते ही immediately समझ जाना चाहिए. और ये.
Okay, Neha has guessed it's disco dancer.
Yes, that's right. And the last one, guys. Last one, guys. I get it right. I can't. Barely guess.
अभी तक डिस्को ही गेस कर रहे हैं. अरे डिस्को के बाद
Disco के
वाला.
बाद.
Okay, Kanchi has guessed it. It's dola re dola re dola re dola. Very
Yes.
nice. You were
Not so bad.
amazing. Clap.
Guys, you're very good, huh? Very sharp, very smart. Very smart, you folks are. Superb.
Okay, so we'll need a final message to all your fans who are here to chat with you, to play games with you.
Thank you so much for being a part of this. आप सभी जो यहाँ पर आए हैं, giving your time, giving your energy, इतना प्यार हमें देते हो यार. Really seriously, I feel very blessed. जब भी कभी मैं थोड़ा down हो जाता हूँ, then I keep thinking of all the people who love you and who love me and who feel so happy about me. Thank you so much for giving me your love. And yeah, just I want that you also remain happy in your life. आपके भी सपने पूरे हो. And yeah, may all good things happen to you. Stay blessed.
So a lot of fans have said that you are the best. We love you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Terence. Thank you. Bye. Take
Bye-bye.
care.
See ya.